Alabama, northeastern Holmes County in Florida, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Geneva, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Geneva, Hartford, Slocum, Estill, Noma, Black, Miller Crossroads, Fedette, Kelly's Crossroads, Unola, Bethlehem, Ten Hill Crossing, Holland Crossroads, Arts Crossroads, Cobb Crossroads, Smith Crossroads, Isagorda, New Hope, Noma Junction, and Somerset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Holmes, Florida.